a very warm welcome from Geometry School. Okay, so today we'll be doing English Premium Mock 2. ठीक है, Mock 1 हम ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं. अब पारी आती है Mock 2 की. 28 December, 30 December, 2nd January, 4 January and 6 January. These are the dates on which your mocks will be released. आपको क्या करना है, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए जिससे कि जब भी आपको इन कोई भी वीडियो रिलीज होगा या मॉक की डेट रिलीज होगी आपको इमीडिएटली नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएगा. स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव स्टार्टेड. Okay students, so we are going to start our hostel batches for RIMS, RIMC and AIS 23-24 exam. We have only 25 seats for each course. The batch is going to start from 1st of January. Seats are very limited. Okay, and any information you want, you can dial the number which is 9528827121. ठीक है. Moving on to the next, India's first school entrance exam app. For this you need to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can receive important notifications on time. This is the first question in front of you. I am giving you 10 seconds to answer. Please write your answer on the paper and then I will discuss it. Spot the error. Your time starts now. Time's up. The right answer for this question is my desire for a desirable house come true in the near future. The right answer here is my desire for a desirable house will come true in the near future. Okay, because हम future की बात कर रहे हैं, so we need to use the auxiliary verb which is will here. Option number 2, choose the correct form. This is question number 2. Choose the correct form of the verb. The father as well as his daughter were brought to the railway station. Come on, quickly give me the answer of this question. This is the next question. You have to give me the answer of this question. 10 seconds starts. Okay, so the right answer here is the father as well as his daughter. What is the right answer? Was brought. I told you in the class, जब भी आप कोई भी दो nouns को as well as along with से join करेंगे, the verb must agree with the former subject, and here the former subject is singular, that's why we'll be using was brought. Question number 3, choose the correct replacement. If the manager banned our watching TV, we would quit. Answer everyone. Time's up now. The right answer here is no substitution required. जब भी आपके if के sentences होंगे तो उनका structure होता है if plus simple past plus would, could, might प्लस V1. सो हमारा पूरा सेंटेंस सेम है, तो would and V1. So here no improvement is required. So no improvement is the right answer. Next question, give antonym of rotten. 10 seconds starts. Time's up now. The antonym or the opposite of rotten is fresh. Next, choose the correct meaning. Ended in smoke. Choose the correct meaning. Ended in smoke. Absolutely. The right answer of this question is yielded no result. Yielded no result is the right answer. Next. Okay students, अगर आपका RMS 22 एग्जाम अच्छा नहीं हुआ है, we have another batch for you which is called as सफलता batch which is going to start on 1st of January. ठीक है, we have only 25 seats available. गर्ल्स बॉयज दोनों इसमें एडमिशन ले सकते हैं. फीस बहुत नॉमिनल है, आपको मंथली चार्ज करना होगा. और ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए एडमिशन कैसे होगा, क्या प्रोसेस है, एंट्रेंस क्या देना होगा नहीं देना होगा, ये सारी जानकारी के लिए आप नंबर को डायल कर सकते हैं विच इज़ 9528827121. क्लियर. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव गिव द एंटोनियम ऑफ मोटिवेट. गिव द एंटोनियम ऑफ motivate. What is the synonym of motivate? Your answer. So the right answer of this question is inspire. The right answer is inspire. Next, give the synonym of famous. Means the word which is similar. Give the synonym of famous. What is the synonym? Means popular. Popular is the right answer. Next question we have, choose the appropriate word. One key motivating factor is greed and a desire to dash more wealth. The right answer of this question is money. One key motivating factor is greed and a desire to accumulate more money. This is not the right answer. One key motivating factor is greed and a desire to accumulate more wealth. Next, select the most appropriate word. The more users a social media has, the more dash it becomes for others. Answer. Yes, the right answer of this question is attractive. We need to put adjective here, so the right answer is attractive. Okay. ओके, फॉर स्टूडेंट्स जिनका एग्जाम RIMC 2022 अच्छा नहीं हुआ है, उनके लिए हम लेकर आए हैं रैंकर्स बैच. दिस इज ओनली फॉर 25 स्टूडेंट्स. जल्दी से सीट रिजर्व कीजिए. नंबर आपके साथ ऑलरेडी शेयर हो चुका है, गर्ल्स और बॉयज दोनों के लिए है. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, डू अपीयर फॉर हॉस्टल बैच विच इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1st of January. ऑल्सो वी हैव टॉपर्स प्रो बैच फॉर सैनिक स्कूल एग्जाम्स. इन केस आपका 23 अटेम्प्ट अच्छा नहीं होता है, आप 24 अटेम्प्ट के लिए हम आपको रेडी करेंगे अपने टॉपर्स बैच के थ्रू. RMS सेट एग्जाम जिन बच्चों का अच्छा नहीं हुआ है उनको ज्वाइन करना है अचीवर्स बैच, जिसके लिए रजिस्ट्रेशन ओपन हो चुके हैं. 1st of January से क्लासेस स्टार्ट हो जाएंगी. इफ यू वांट टू प्रिपेयर सीरियसली, यू हैव टू चूज दिस अचीवर्स बैच एंड एनरोल योरसेल्फ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, change the narration. Again 10 seconds for you. Kavita said, I was calculating my expenses last night. Time's up. The right answer here is option number B. Next, select the incorrectly spelt word. Select the incorrectly spelt word. People encourage improve regular. Time starts now. Okay, so the right answer of this question is option number C. What is the right spelling? It's improve. Clear? Moving on to the next one. Change the voice. टाइम ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट हो चुका है. कैन यू डेवलप द न्यू साइट? Yes, the right answer of this question is option number A. Can the new site be developed by you? Next, find the correctly spelled word. Find the correctly spelled word. The right answer of this question is option number A. Hypocrisy. Hypocrisy. Next question, give the meaning of the following. Feathers one's own nest. Feathers one's own nest. Time. Okay, time's up. The right answer of this question is promote their own interest. Promote their own interest. Next question, frame a meaningful sentence. You have to frame a meaningful sentence. Time starts now. Twenty seconds for this question. 5 seconds remaining. The right answer of this question is option number C. 1324. Okay. Next, fill in the blank with correct form of the verb. She has always been dashed to swim to build up the strength of her muscles. 10 seconds. Right. So the right answer is option number D. Because we have to use the V3 form. She has always been encouraged to swim to build up the strength of her muscles. Next, again for hostel batch. Target RIMC RMS AIS 23-24. I am again reminding you we have only 25 seats. हॉस्टल बैच है, गर्ल्स और बॉयज दोनों के लिए है, बहुत नॉमिनल फीस है. जल्दी से बैच को ज्वाइन कीजिए और जून अटेम्प्ट के लिए अपने आप को प्रिपेयर कीजिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, स्पॉट द एरर स्टूडेंट्स. प्लीज बी केयरफुल एंड मार्क योर आंसर. स्पॉट द एरर. मैथमेटिक्स आर कंसर्न्ड एसेंशियली विद अंडरस्टैंडिंग एब्स्ट्रैक्ट कॉन्सेप्ट्स. टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ. हरी अप. The right answer of this question is the right answer is mathematics are concerned. Always remember mathematics seems plural but is actually singular. इसके पीछे क्या concept है, ये actually क्या होता है. अगर singular है तो we will always be using what? Singular verb. are नहीं use करेंगे, is use करेंगे. Choose the correct preposition. Neha's father died to malaria last year. The right answer of this question is Neha's father died of malaria last year. Always remember died of हम यूज करेंगे जब भी हमारा कोई prolonged illness होगा या इंटरनल कॉज. मलेरिया यहाँ पे क्या है, हमारा इंटरनल कॉज है, बीमारी हुई, डेथ हो गई. लेकिन अगर हम करेंगे डाइड फ्रॉम, डाइड के साथ फ्रॉम जब आएगा जब भी हमारा एक्सटर्नल कॉज होगा. व्हाट इज द एक्सटर्नल कॉज? कोई प्रोलॉन्ग डिजीज नहीं था, इलनेस नहीं थी. फॉर एग्जांपल हार्ट अटैक हो गया, कार्डिनल अरेस्ट हो गया, आपका एक्सीडेंट हो गया. दैट इन दैट केस विल बी यूजिंग डाइड फ्रॉम. क्लियर एवरीबडी? Next, give one word, an arrangement of flowers that is usually given as a present. What is the right answer? The right answer is bouquet. That is pronounced as bouquet. You all are familiar with this word. Moving on to the next one. Choose the correctly spelt word. Choose the correctly spelt word. टाइम अप होने वाला है, जल्दी से आंसर कीजिए. Okay, time's up. So the right answer of this question is mischievous. MISCHIEVOUS. This is the right answer. Moving on to the next question. Okay, so now you have to answer the passage. पैसेज है स्लॉथ बियर का अ गुड ट्री क्लाइंबर. ठीक है, आपको इस पैसेज को आंसर करना है. आई एम गोइंग टू रीड अलोंग विद यू, कीपिंग इन माइंड योर स्पीड ऑफ रीडिंग. उसके अकॉर्डिंगली यू हैव टू आंसर. द मोस्ट कॉमनली सीन इंडियन बियर इज द स्लॉथ बियर. इट वॉज कन्फ्यूज्ड विद द स्लॉथ, अ स्लो मूविंग एनिमल. It was confused with the sloth to a slow moving animal that lives in trees in South America when first discovered, hence the name. The sloth bear is also found in Nepal and Sri Lanka. An inhabitant of the forested regions and hilly areas, the sloth bear stands 2 to 3 feet at the shoulders. It measures 4 to 5 feet long and weighs between 60 to 140 kg. The dull black coat of this bear has a slight brownish color. The long sharp claws are ivory white. There is a prominent whitish V-shaped mark on the breast. The animal has short back legs and the tail is almost not visible. Clear? The sloth bear starts searching for food around night and retires just before dawn. In cool and cloudy weather, it can be up and move about even during the day. The sloth bear feeds on both plant and animal food. It feeds on fruits, insects, honey, flowers, roots, tubers, and even dead animal flesh. Sloth bears are noisy creatures and they sequel grumble and chatter while looking for food. It is a good tree climber. During the rainy season, insects become plentiful and form part of its diet. The way the sloth bear feeds on white ants is quite interesting. It breaks upon a white ant's mound with its claws and blows away the dust and the rubbish. Then it sucks out the white ants from their underground galleries. Clear? Now we will be marking our answers. On the basis of your reading of the passage given above, answer the following questions. What is the first question? The sloth bear is? Yes, the right answer is a good climber. Next. The tail of the sloth bear is nearly not visible. Next, the coat of the sloth bear is, where we can find the answer of this question? The dull black coat. So what is the right answer of this? Dull black. Dull black is the right answer. Next, the weight of the sloth bear is, what was the right answer? Again we have to look for the answer, 60 to 140 kg. So here what is the right answer? Option number C, 60 to 140 kg. And the last, where is the sloth bear found? Where it is found? Again go for the passage. India. Indian bear है ना, that means it is mostly found in India. So the right answer of this question is India. What is the right answer? India. So students, this was your mock test completely based on paper pattern of Senate. Do share your marks in the comment box. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आती है आप हमें कमेंट करके थ्रू बता सकते हैं. प्लीज़ बी ऑनेस्ट टू योर सेल्फ और टेस्ट को बहुत ही अच्छे से आपको अटेम्प्ट करना है. चैनल को नहीं सब्सक्राइब किया है, सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, बिकॉज अगर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करेंगे तो आप तक कोई भी रेलेवेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं पहुंच पाएगी. टिल देन, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड नाउ वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट मॉक.